still believe in a fairy tale, and always know deep inside we are all the same. Let the children have a world where there is no pain or sorrow, where they all can live tomorrow and they share a brighter day. Let the children have a world where the people can be free, where they all can join together and their hearts will share a dream. A child will find its own place in the sunlight. A child has hope, crystalline in his eyes. I want the world to love every boy